And 5, 6, 7, 8.
Nice.
What do you think of that?
Fancy pants.
I call that, or I've heard people call it, a boomerang. It's a move where you're basically spinning one way and spinning the other way and kind of like crossing yourself up to gain momentum. You don't need a lot of room to do this. And I think it looks cool. You can combine it with other footwork, and it's making us spin both ways. You're only doing one spin, not multiple spins, so it's not super difficult, but it gives us the idea of spinning both ways, so it helps us be more balanced. Because usually we have one way that we like and one way that we feel a little awkward in. So I'm gonna break this down a bit.
Okay.
So to start, you have your feet about hips width apart, knees soft, like always with skating, not locking out the knees, but keeping the knees soft and bouncy. So I start turning my torso and hips a bit to the right, and I'm gonna push my left foot out in front of me on the heel, bending the right knee, the back knee, and kind of sitting down a little bit, sinking the hips down. And then as I pull the left foot on all four wheels in toward me, I come up onto the back toe, on the toe stop or the toe plug, whatever you happen to have on that back right foot. I'm going to use this to kind of uncork myself and spin to the left. So as I'm spinning to the left, I'm going to be basically on my right heel and left toe wheels, spinning to the left. One spin, and that's it.
Okay.
Then we do the whole thing the other way. So now my torso and even my hips turn a little to the left, pushing out on that right heel, sitting down, bending the left knee and kind of sinking down into the hips a bit. Then as I pull the right foot on all four wheels in toward me, coming up onto the back toe or the left toe stop or toe plug, kind of creating like a cross, and that will create the torque to spin to the right. So now as I'm spinning to the right, I'm going to be on my right toe wheels and left heel wheels, like that. So spinning to the right. Again, showing it with the cross, cork, and then the spin. Cool. So it takes a little to do this quicker. You might want to do it slow several times. Doing it slow is actually a little harder to balance. Once you start doing it with some momentum, it kind of carries you and makes it a little easier to go from one side to the other. So I'm going to show it again, rather slow, pushing out on the left heel, bending the right knee, pulling the left foot in, coming up on the back or the right toe, and then spinning to the left. From there, spin to the left. Then pushing on the right heel, and then sitting into the left knee, pulling the right foot in, coming up on the back, the left toe, and then spinning to the right from here. So as you get a little faster at it, it kind of creates its own momentum and starts to flow a little better. When you're doing it more slowly, it's a little harder to flow with it, but it helps to find music that you like and that has a nice even rhythm. So trying to count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Okay. You can add other things. You know, if you want to add your little original, is that what you call it?
I think that's what I've heard that called, yeah. And
you kind of do whatever you want with your little moves, and then add your little boomerang. And whatever else you like to do. If you like to, you know, dance around, whatever you like to do, you can add this into your moves. Gives you something fun to try, and you need like hardly any space. You could use your driveway, garage, maybe your kitchen, maybe your local rink if you have one, or we're here outside on City Island in Sarasota, Florida.
Oh, yeah?
Beautiful place.
It is pretty.
So you can find pretty much anywhere that you can practice this. Small amount of flat space that you can skate on. Hopefully that's useful. If y'all know another name for this boomerang, please let us know. And please let us know what you want to see, and like and comment, subscribe. Thank you.